Hello, I am Andrea Batslatson, also known as Happy Teach. What I want to display today is for if you're a teacher or creating a presentation, some of the cool ways you can kind of enhance and spice up your presentation. So the first thing that I like to use now, as you can see in the background of this photo, I have my avatar. Now, my husband and I are artists and designers, so we collaborated and created this. But if you're not, if drawing is not your thing, and you don't feel like you're artistic and you don't draw in this fashion, but you really want a character, one of the cool tools that you guys have at your disposal, if I'm going to go to a new tab and I'm going to go to this site, it's called bitmoji.com. Cool thing about this is you can actually create your character. Now, this Bitmoji is meant for mobile devices, but it has been added to Chrome, so you don't necessarily have to be on your phone to create one, and it's free. That's the best part about it, super free. So if we scroll down, this is the Bitmoji homepage where you'll come to. You'll see that it has been incorporated. It has evolved a lot. It's been incorporated in games. Also, you can find an app store and on Google Play. You can pretty much send it in almost any app. Snapchat, especially, it's really big. It incorporates with Snapchat to where you can actually be in Snapchat with a buddy and see how this picture right here is two friends who kind of sync their Bitmojis together. It's kind of cool. But down here it tells you that it's available for message, for iMessage, for Gboard, and for Google Chrome, which is the best thing ever, because now with it being available for Google Chrome, you can take your Bitmoji and use it everywhere. And what you do is when you click here, I'll just click it. It's going to take you to where you can add it. Now, mine's already been added, but your button will say add to Chrome. You'll click add to Chrome, and you'll go from there. So that's how, and then what happens is it'll sit in as an extension. So if you look up here, this is mine, I'm on a Mac. But if you look up here in the upper right corner, you'll see the Bitmoji extension, which is this green one with the little happy face. Okay. And then all you have to do at that point is you'll click on it. You can search whatever Bitmoji you want. Like if you're trying to say good morning to your students or things like that, you can. So a place that's really cool to use it in, though, is if you go over here to Google Slides, and that's just, I guess, slides.google.com, or you'll see it over here in your little apps when you're on Gmail or any Google app. You'll see it here, and then you can scroll down to wherever Slides is and just click on Slides, and it'll take you here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new presentation because let's say we want to create a Bitmoji for maybe the first day of class, right? So we could, when we're in Slides, all you have to do is click on the extension, and then maybe you want to say, welcome, and then instantly it'll automatically start generating what it has for welcome back, if they're coming back to school, or just welcome in general, or what have you. But whatever you decide, let's just say we decide to go with aloha. Maybe you want a Hawaiian theme. So all you have to do is click it and drag it out, and then it's going to show up on your slide in the background. The cool thing about doing it directly from here is you don't have the background. Okay. There are a lot of ways you can get the Bitmoji in. Some will bring in the background and you'll have to remove that white background from it. But in this case, there is no background, so that's kind of cool. So let's say we like this. Let's say we want the slide over here. You can rearrange these. You guys already know that. I don't have to teach you how to do PowerPoint because I don't want to waste your time. But let's just say I am happy. So let's just say I want this up at the top, maybe going across here. I'm not going to do the full design because I'm really just trying to show you how you can spice up your classroom just a little bit. Okay. So I am happy teach. I will be teaching you all about graphic design. Okay, so if this is what I want to say. Maybe I'm just going to move this up here. Okay, so let's just say this is, okay, sweet. All right, so now here's my introduction. Hi, hello, I am Happy Teach. I will be teaching you all about graphic design. I have my aloha over here. And if I wanted a different background, like maybe I want to place this whole scene, I want a scene in the background. What I can do is there are plenty of free sites. Two of my favorite sites, I'm just going to show you. One is pexels.com. So I'm going to make a new tab, click on the plus, and I'm going to type pexels.com. And then maybe I want a classroom. And I know you guys know how to Google search, so you can Google search as well. But let's say I wanted maybe this classroom. Because I'm going to have the picture come in here. I don't know. Let me just try to see which one's going to work. You know what? I'm just going to pick one. Because one of the hardest things I have a hard time with is trying to decide, because I can be going through pictures all day. I am a perfectionist with it, so I try not to be. So I'm just going to click on this one. Let's just go for it, okay? So when you click on it, you see where it says free download. You can just click that. The picture will be downloading down here in the bottom, but you'll see this just giving you like an ad, of course, of what's happening on that site. So once you have the picture, once it downloads, it's in your downloads folder, okay? So what I can do now is I'm going to go back to Google Slides, and I might insert an image and upload from the computer. And then I'm going to go to my downloads, and then I'll see that picture is right there. Grab that one. Okay. And so this picture generates, and of course you guys know now I'm used to working in PowerPoint. So hopefully, okay. So if I want to send this to the back, I can right click. Let me see if you can. I can add it to theme. I'm not quite sure. I think that's adding it to the main page. Hang on, let me see. Arrange. There we go. So arrange, order, and send to back. So I'm used to working in Adobe programs too, where it's in the right click, but it's not here. Okay. So I can send it to the back, and then I can go in, of course, and then set up the color for this and the formatting. So maybe I'll make this kind of like we said Hawaiian. So maybe a little lighter. Okay. Or something, I will play with a lot. I'll probably play with the font as well. But the purpose of this is really just to show you how you can, let me put a lighter gray. Okay. How you can spice up your PowerPoints or your your material for your students just a little bit. Okay. And then of course I will play with it a little more, probably put a background behind here. I might fade out this background a little bit, but I would definitely change the font. That's for sure. Anyone who, let me see, it's up a little bit. But in any event, this was a quick way of showing you how you can spruce up and add a little fun to your teaching materials, to your background, especially with us teaching online. The students really don't get to see us and see our personality. So we kind of have to bring that part out through, through programs like this, and the welcoming. But that's a really, really quick video. If you need any more, let me know. But I just wanted the purpose was just to show you how you can bring a background in, play with the Bitmoji, have your own little character, and use it in when creating your teaching material. All right, so that was really, really quick. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you need more, let me know. If you want to know how to do something specific, like maybe how would I tackle changing the font and bringing this out, or anything like that, just let me know. I'll make a video. I love making videos. So hopefully you enjoyed it. This is Happy Teach. This was your session of the day. I hope to talk to you soon. Ta-ta for now.